In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, one narrative is gaining immense traction: artificial intelligence. Imagine AI not just mastering text and images, but producing lifelike videos indistinguishable from reality. That's the power of OpenAI's breakthrough. As AI demands skyrocket, so does the need for processing power. NVIDIA's exponential growth reflects this surge. Tokens like Render Token are at the forefront, revolutionizing decentralized computing with unused GPU resources. With AI tokens reaching billions in market cap and predictions of trillion-dollar demands, investors are eyeing exponential growth. Tokens like OXO and PAL are riding the AI wave, witnessing remarkable gains in recent weeks. And then there's Octopspace, quietly building AI infrastructure without the hype, but with immense potential. As the AI narrative unfolds, which tokens will emerge as winners? Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more insights into the exciting world of AI crypto gems.